Morning children, welcome back to my class. It's a Monday morning and we are back to our topic addition. So far we have done addition by forward counting, addition on number line, addition using column method. So what is new today? Today we are going to do addition using column method but with carryover. So far we have not done carryover. So what is carryover? Let us first understand the meaning of carryover. When we add two numbers, let us say 5 plus 3, it is 8. The answer is one digit number. But if I add, suppose 7 plus 4, 7 plus 4 is 11. Now 11 cannot be written in one place, single place, like 11 is not a one digit number, it's a two digit number. So it needs two places. So today we are going to do addition with carryover. Let's now going to see how we have to go for it. Let us begin addition with carryover with two-digit numbers. Here we have two numbers 47 and 28. We have to first of all arrange these numbers in the respective place value column. So 7 comes in the ones place and 4 comes in the tens place. Similarly in the number 28, 8 comes here at the ones place and 2 comes at the tens place. We always start adding from the ones place. So here we add 7 and 8. The answer of 7 and 8 is 15. Now 15 cannot be written into the ones place column. So 1 goes as carry over into the tens place. Now tens place becomes 1 plus 4 plus 2, which gives us 7. So the answer is 75. Let us look at another example. Here we have 39 plus 54. Now we can see the ones place digits are 9 and 4 and the tens place digits are 3 and 5. We first add ones place digit. 9 plus 4 gives us 13. Since 13 cannot be written into the ones place column, so 1 goes as carryover to the tens place. Now 1 plus 3 is 4, 4 plus 5 is 9. So our final answer is 93. Similarly, we can do addition of three-digit numbers also. Let us have a look at the example. Here we have a number 352 plus 419. The rules are same. We always start from the ones place column. So we add 2 plus 9, which is 11. 1 goes as carryover to the tens place, which gives us 1 plus 5, 6 plus 1, 7. At the hundreds place, we can see there are 3 and 4, which on addition gives 7. So the final answer is 771. Let us look at another example. Here in the ones column, we can see 7 plus 5 is 12. Since 12 cannot be written into the ones place, so 1 goes as carryover to the tens place. Now we can see there is 6 and 8 in the tens column. So which on addition gives 6 plus 8, 14 plus 1, 15. Here is again we are having another carryover which goes to hundreds place. Now here we have 4 plus 3 and plus 1. So which gives us 8. So carryover goes to the 100 place and we get the final answer as 852. Dear children, we can do any sum of addition with carryover like this. I am giving some questions to be done in your notebook or in your book. If you are having your book, you can do the sums in your book also. I hope you have understood and enjoyed doing addition. Happy learning. Thank you so much.